Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. It is the month of July and it's all about teas and juice and how to lose belly fat and so on and so forth. This tea is a belly fat losing tea. This is a tea that you're going to be drinking directly when you go into your bed at night. Do not drink this one in the morning. It works better when you sleep. So this tea, you're going to drink it at night time. Let's get into our ingredients and what we're going to do to make this tea come to reality.
Again, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
You are going to need green tea. You're going to need a bottle of water. You're going to need your cayenne pepper. 1 lemon. Do not use lime for this recipe. Use 1 whole lemon, okay? So that is all you're going to need, and you're going to have this for bedtime. Let's get right into it. Now, the very first thing you're going to do when you're getting ready for bed is drink 1 full bottle of water. If you're not going to drink this water, yeah, don't even bother with just this tea because it's not going to work. You have to drink 1 full bottle of water and then you drink your tea before bed. Do not eat cookies and ice cream and all of that and think this is going to work. You have to have your meal like 8 o'clock, your last meal, and then when you get ready to close your eye, then you're going to drink your bottle of water and then you drink this tea. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing I want to do is put your tea bag in, and that is your green tea. Add your water, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't have cayenne pepper, use crushed pepper. Lemon goes in. And just mix that around. Done. Do not add any sweetener to this, guys. No honey, no sugar, no nothing. Just drink it just like it is, and that is all you need. That's going to cut the belly fat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one on how to lose belly fat fast, easy and simple. These recipes will end July 31st. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.